Hi, we are gonna import MakeHuman 3D characters into Blender now. So as you can see, this is the MakeHuman character that I have, and this is the Blender scene that I have. So in order to import MakeHuman characters into Blender, first we need to export the character. To export it, go to Files and go to Export, and from the file format on the left side select Blender Exchange format. This is the only format that you can import it. Actually, you can import with other formats too, but it's not gonna keep the texture and different features. So give a name, MyHuman. I gave MyHuman, and click on export. Okay, so it's gonna export it now. Okay, exported, and MakeHuman files are exported under My Documents, MakeHuman, Export, and here you can see the file that I exported. So now we are going to import it into Blender. To import it, you need to go to File and go to Import, and here you have different formats, but you don't have MakeHuman file format. So to be able to import MakeHuman files, we need to install plugins, and to install it we need to go to User Preferences, and under Import Export section you will see Import MakeHuman files. But if you look at the details of this plugin, this is 1.10. If you have latest MakeHuman version, this version of this plugin is not gonna work with MakeHuman. So we need to install the latest plugin. You can click on install with this section, but there's some problems with Blender to install from this. So we are gonna install it manually. Okay, so to install it, first you need to go to MakeHuman folder that you install it. Mine is under should be under MakeHuman, and go to Tools. But here on the some version it is under Importers, but in the latest version it's under Tools. And here choose the Blender version that you are using, which is mine is 2.6, so I will select 2.6, and here go to Importer, MHX Importer. This is the plugin file that we are gonna use to, in the Blender. So copy this file and go to the Blender folder. Mine is under Blender Foundation, Blender 2.6. Go to Scripts folder and go to Add-ons, and here if you look at the files, IO import scene MHX file, this file is for the older version plugin, so we are not gonna delete it and paste the file that you just copied and keep the file name. Okay, we are gonna rename it and make it latest. Okay, and if you come to Blender now, as you can see, Blender automatically refreshed its plugin list, and here you have two plugins. One is 1.10 and one is 1.12. So we are going to install 1.12. Select it and go to the 3D view. Okay, here as we installed the new plugin, you can save your user settings, so you don't need to do it every time you open Blender. So now if you go to File, Import, you can see the MakeHuman file format here. Okay, so choose this one and go to the exported MakeHuman file. It was exported under Documents, MakeHuman, Exports, and here's the file. Here you can see different options that you can select. So these default options are good, The default one is the scale is 1, but it's too big, so you can select 0.2, which is gonna be good size. Okay, so now you can import it. It's taking a while to import. Okay, so here is my character in the Blender. So if I render it, okay, as you can see, it is a bit big, so we are gonna resize the character. To resize it, you need to select your character and make sure that this section is selected. Here, if you press S, you cannot scale it because it is in the pose mode. So go to object mode and make sure everything is selected and press S and scale it a little bit. Okay, and if you want, you can rotate it also. So I'm gonna go to top view and rotate it a little bit. Okay, so now render it. Okay, so now let's look at the pose mode, what we can do in the pose mode. So while your character is selected, go from the object mode, go to pose mode, and here you will see different sections that you have. These are the sections that you can resize, move legs or foot of the character. So if you select any of these sections, as you can see, you can move them. Okay, and let's see, for the hand we can here, let's say, make this finger, select the finger and move it a little bit down or here. Okay, and let's say if you want to move the R, you can move R. Okay. And let's say you want to move this section too a little bit. Okay, rotate it all. Okay, if you want to move forward, you can move it forward, or you can do anything here with your character. Okay, and let's see, I want to move this section. Okay, let's go to the foot. Okay. Okay. Also, you can rotate different sections. So while choosing any of these sections, if you click R, you can rotate them like this. Okay, let's say for head. Okay, so it's good now. You can go to object mode and press F12 to render it. Okay, so as you can see, all of the changes that I did are here. I moved the hands, I moved the head. So you can do whatever you want with your characters. And then also in the future we are gonna see animation, so we can animate our character. Okay, so that's it.